10 herbs to keep the cold and flu at bay. Certain plants have exceptional anti-inflammatory, antiviral and antipyretic properties which are of great help in preventing or treating the flu. Here are 10 of them. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. 1. Eucalyptus. Eucalyptus has beneficial effects on inflammation of the respiratory tract. It helps relieve cold and flu symptoms, including cough and sore throat. Internally, eucalyptus is used as an infusion or inhalation. It can also be applied in massage in the form of essential oil. 2. Acerola. To better anticipate illnesses including the flu, a vitamin C cure is recommended. The acerola is a tree whose fruit is called Barbados cherry or West Indian cherry because it looks very much like a cherry. Rich in vitamin C, an antioxidant that promotes immunity and helps prevent winter ailments. 3. Propolis. Propolis is a substance produced by bees during foraging. They use it to sanitize the hive. Propolis contains antioxidants and phenols whose antiseptic properties are recognized. It prevents and limits the production of germs, viruses, and bacteria, especially those of the flu. 4. Echinacea. Echinacea is a welcome cure against the cold and flu. Echinacea is a plant used in herbalism to stimulate the body's immune defenses. Depending on the species used, medicinal beverages can be prepared from the stem and the flower, or from the root. It is mainly found in organic stores, herbalists, and pharmacies. 5. Grapefruit. Recognized by several studies as a natural antibiotic, grapefruit seed extract is very rich in antioxidants, thus making it possible to prevent and cure winter diseases, in particular those related to the ENT sphere. It can be found in pharmacies or organic stores. 6. Linden sapwood. Linden sapwood is a natural drainer that cleans emunctory organs such as the liver and kidneys, and detoxify the body. If it does not prevent and treat the flu as such, it does however put the body in a good position to avoid catching diseases. The average duration of a linden sapwood treatment is approximately 3 weeks. 7. Black elderberry. Black elderberry is a powerful natural antiviral and anti-inflammatory. It would have a positive effect on the flu, especially if it is accompanied by wet cough. It is generally consumed in the form of a standardized fluid extract. 8. Ginseng. Ginseng is suggested in the case of the treatment of influenza. It is recommended for people whose immune system is weak, and therefore more likely to catch the flu, as well as for convalescent people. 9. White willow. White willow is a plant with antipyretic properties that contains acetylsalicylic acid, the active substance of aspirin. Its anti-inflammatory power is indicated in cases of flu, especially if the fever is high. Be careful, however, because people allergic or hypersensitive to acetylsalicylic acid could also be allergic to willow bark. 10. Garlic. Garlic is also an effective remedy for colds and flu symptoms as it helps treat respiratory tract infections. It can be consumed fresh, 4 cloves a day, in order to guard against possible disease. Please stay tuned for more videos like this.